What's up? It's your boy Jay back at it, man, with my kayak today. Today we put on a trolley, anchor trolley system, or anchor trolley pulley, whatever you want to call it. We got it all on. We don't have it all on. I got it mostly on. I figured I'd do the last hole with y'all just to show y'all what I did and what I used. Right here. Put that in right here, and it hooks up to a little pulley thing. I'll show you that in a minute. But I got another one. See right here. I'm gonna add one more right up in here somewhere. And my one in the back. It's gonna have the other pulley on. It's gonna be right there. So, but yeah, stay tuned. We get right on it. Yes, sir. All right, let's go ahead and get started, man. Basically, all you need is maybe 5 or 6 tools if you're gonna count a pencil as a tool. But mainly, all you need is 5. But you need the rivets. Make sure you just don't use any kind of rivets. Make sure you use the rivets that's for kayaks. They got like a rubber seal at the end. I think that's comes in pretty handy for making a good seal. Plus, also make sure you use some kind of sealant also. And you need the little ring piece, the little rope loop. I think it's a little bigger than what I wanted, but it'll do fine. And of course, I got the sealant. I use this Loctite for no reason. I just seen it, and it's basically the only one that I seen that Home Depot had. That was Marina. The only thing I don't like about it that I really wanted to use a clear one, but then again, it's fine. Then this rivet tool. I got that from Harbor Freight. I use that on my teardrop and on my other videos. And of course, a drill, something to drill into to the boat. But that's about it, man. That's all you need, really. So if I had to do this back over, man, I probably would have went ahead and bought the kit. I think I saved maybe a few dollars, but I mean, why go through all the runaround when you could just get it all in one shebang. But yeah, it's all good though. But it's getting done. I wanted to be out this morning. Yeah, I wanted to be out this morning on the lake, but I tried to be hard-headed and use the wrong rivets, and seen that it wasn't making a good connection. So I went ahead and did the right thing and went and got the right rivets, and man, it made 100% difference. So that's what we're doing now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did and how I did it, and don't know if it's the right way, and then don't know if it's the wrong way, but this the way I'm gonna do it. And so yeah, we on it. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna put the other one a little bit about let's say probably about an inch below the seam line. Maybe an inch, maybe a half inch. But we're gonna put it on just a little angle for no necessary point, but that's just the way I'm gonna do it. Then I'm gonna put a mark. Just make sure you don't mark 2 dots, mark 2 dots and drill out 2 dots. Make sure you don't make the mistake by doing that. Just make sure you drill 1 hole, and then I'll show you. But anyway, drill 1 hole, put the rivet in there, and then go to the other side of where you want it at, and then drill your hole through that. But do not drill 2 holes right here and expect your pieces to line up. I mean, I wouldn't do it. But if you want to do it, you go right ahead. But I just don't recommend it. So therefore, I'm gonna make my dot. Then I'm gonna drill my hole. And I'm using a 3/16 drill bit. It's kind of sucks drilling a hole in your kayak, but you know it got to get done. So the first one was the worst one. So then just, like I said, put it through there. Now, like I said, I'm putting on a little angle for no necessary reason, just putting on an angle. Now you know, guarantee they'll line up perfectly. So it's like that. So all we gotta do is put some silicone on there. What I do, pull these out. This is how I did the other ones. I put some silicone in the holes. You know, just a couple dabs in there. Then just put one in there halfway. Put the other one in there halfway. And then I just ran a little dab. I mean, you really can do it like this also. This is just the way I did it. I don't know if it's necessary anything, gonna do anything, but that's just the way I did it. I got my Harbor Freight tool. Just like that. Same thing with the other side. Like I said, I don't know if this helps anything, but I would think it probably would help seal it somewhere. That's all I'm looking for. Just a good seal. Just push it on in there. Tighten down that rivet. Wish I'd have had this yesterday. I went out and caught a couple bass or something. Going in the morning though. They say get us 24 hours to cure, but I'm in Arizona. I don't think they're talking about Arizona heat, so I think it'll cure a little faster than that. But yeah, that's the way I did it. That's the way I did all four of them. The Yak Gear rivets, they come 10. And there's more than what I needed. I just needed 8 of them. I think if you got a 10-footer, I think all you need is probably just 4 of them. Or you might have one just to help keep the string up there. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Got them all done. This is the one with the. I just threw this hook on it just to show you what how I was gonna attach it. But got all this from Home Depot. I think this part here was I think $1 something, maybe $1.50, $1.70. think the wheel was maybe $2. But like I said, I would have probably just went ahead and bought the kit. One of the kits, maybe the Yak Gear kit, any one of the kits that got all the parts in there, instead of doing all that running around. But then again, I like building stuff myself, and so that's what it do.